Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the oven door switch in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Open the oven door. Next, use a Phillips head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit to unthread the screws securing the lower rear access panel. Lift the panel up and out. Disconnect the door switch wire connector. Depress the retaining tabs and push the door switch free of the rear panel. Pull the actuator rod out of the hole in the front panel and detach the old switch from the rod. Install the new oven door switch by hooking it onto the actuator rod. Then feed the rod through the hole in the front panel and snap the switch into place on the rear panel. Connect the wire connector. Reposition the lower rear access panel. Thread the screws to secure. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.